Days after being jailed on national security charges, Hong Kong's pro-democracy media tycoon Jimmy Lai has won an appeal in a separate 2022 fraud conviction. Earlier this month, Lai was sentenced to 20 years behind bars on collusion charges under a national security law imposed by Beijing. However, the 2022 fraud case is not related to the charges under the security law. Lai did not appear in court and remains behind bars. It remains unclear how this outcome affects Lai's overall prison stint. Lai's 2-decade penalty was by far the harshest under Hong Kong's national security law, which Beijing imposed in 2020 after huge pro-democracy protests in the former British colony. The media mogul has been behind bars since 2020 and spent much of that time in solitary confinement. Prosecutors had argued in court that a consultancy firm operated by Lai had taken up office space rented by Apple Daily. Prosecution argued that this breached the terms of the lease that Apple Daily signed with a government company and amounted to fraud. But the court ruled that the prosecution had failed to prove its case, adding that the trial judge's reasoning was unsupportable.